Good morning. Myself Mininath Kailas Valmode. I am research scholar under working Dr. B.B. Sinte, Department of Chemistry, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University. Today's my topic is study of diversely functionalized triazole, pyrazole, pyridine, coumarin, and chromin derivatives. So we will see step by step. First one is a triazole. Triazole. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 structure is there. This triazole, this triazole, this triazole, and this triazole. So one hydrogen, 1, 2, 3 triazole, one hydrogen attached to nitrogen containing. So you can see 1, 2, 3 triazole. Same 1, 2, 3 triazole. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 triazole, and this is 1, 2, 3 triazoles. So you can see down three structure is there. First one is a fluconazole, voriconazole, ravuconazole. This drug is a antifungal medication drugs. So you can see here attached to 1, 2, 3, 4 triazole, 1, 2, 3, 4 triazole, 1, 2, 3, 4 triazole. Next one is a four structure is there. This structure is mirror image. Epoxiconazole. Second one is a propiconazole. Third one is a cyproconazole. So this drug is a fungicide are biological chemical compound or biocidical chemical compound or biological organism. So his function is a kill parasitic fungi or their force. So next one is the pyrazole. Pyrazole is a developed first German chemist Ludwig Korn in 1883. So next one is the method developed by German chemist Hans von Purchmann in 1898. This is a pyrazole compound. So you can see down three structure is there, Celebrex, Viagra, Rominabant. Three drugs is there. So this drug is analgesic agents. So you can see pyrazole ring is here, pyrazole ring is here. So next one is a pyridine. Pyridine is a natural compounds. So you can see two structure is there. This is one, second one is so at atazanavir and second was imatinib. So two structure is there, two drugs is there. So these drugs function immunodeficiency virus, HIV. So next one is you can see diplocylidine and nikinidine. So this structure is recently developed in natural products. So next one is chromin and chromin. So you can see chromin here. So chromin is a pharmacological agent, and he's given physiological activity. Which one is activity? Anti-cancer, antioxidant, anti-inflammation, anti-HIV, anticoagulant, and antibacterial. Next one is a chromin. So you can see chromin structure here. So chromin also have biological activity. So biological activity, which one is a biological activity? Anti-cancer, anti-coagulation, antibacterial, antimicrobial, anti-cholinesterase, anti-tuberculosis, and anti-diabetics. So next one is my work plan. Work plan is we are preparing so simple synthesis pyrazole, triazole, pyridine derivative, acromin, and coumarin. So first one, synthesis of triazole derivative. You can see this reaction is in presence of substituted acetophenol, substituted phenylhydrazine in presence of ACOH. This is a reaction condition. So we got this product. Next one is a Wills-Meyer-Hack reaction in presence of POCl3. This is a reaction condition, and we got this pyrazole product, this compound. So next one is a reaction in presence of NaBH4. So you can see a reaction condition here. So we got these products. Next one is a substituted reaction. This one you can see in presence of PBr3, 0 degree Celsius. This is a reaction condition, and we got this product. The next one is azide reaction in presence of NaNa3. This is a reaction condition. So you can, and we got these products. So next one is azide plus substituted alkyne. So substitute, which one substituted alkyne? This one X means oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur containing. This is a click chemistry, a click reaction in presence of sodium ascorbate, copper sulfate, polyethylene glycol, H2O. So we got these products. So this is a 1 2 3 pyrazole, 1 2 3 triazole. This is a pyrazole, so you can see. So we are trying to prepare this compound. We have tried. So we got this product. So next one is synthesis of pyrazole derivative. So before we have seen already this method. So same method we have done, and this is we got this product. So pyrazole, you can see this is a pyrazole ring. So next one is synthesis of pyridine derivative. This is a way of uh, this is a way of we got the this we will try this reaction. So this is a substituted aldehyde, benzaldehyde, and this is a malonitrile, this is a benzo thio, and we will this is a way of prepare these molecules. So we did not try, but we will try next this reaction. So this is a synthesis of coumarin derivative. Simple, you can see simple chalcone, substituted for hydroxy coumarin in presence of DB acetate ionic liquid. This is a condition of this reaction. So we got these products. So we will try next synthesis of chromin derivative. So simple substituted aldehyde, malonitrile, and this compound, and we will try different ionic liquid, different temperature effect, and different solvents. So we will get these products. So this is my work, and this is important in medicinal chemistry. That's why we are developing this method. So thank you.